Hello everyone, today I'm here to do a quick life update. So for the past 2 months, I've gone to a lot of different places. I went to New York, came back, went to Indonesia, came back, and then did a few hikes. After coming back from Indonesia, I wanted to explore Seattle a little bit, which is what I did. I went to Le Panier to eat some baked goods, and I just kind of explored around Pike Place. Besides Pike Place, I also went on weekend hikes. I attempted to do the Three Fingers Lookout. Unfortunately, I did not make it to the top and I had to turn around. I'm actually gonna go again and complete it in about a month. I also went to High Rock Lookout for a sunrise hike. Interestingly, I usually meet a lot of novice hikers. However, this time I met a lot of influencers up on the top. I guess a lot of them were doing their last summer trip. Afterwards, I went to Comet Falls and that was amazing. The trailhead to Comet Falls is on the road to paradise. Usually I just skip it and go straight to paradise. So this is something I wanted to do before I do the Wonderland Trail. After Comet Falls, the weekend after, I wanted to do a backpacking trip to see if I was ready to do the Wonderland Trail. This is what I have to show for the backpacking trip last weekend in Vesper Peak. I also wanted to explain my future plans. This coming week, I'm doing the Wonderland Trail. It's a 100-mile hike around Mount Rainier. Afterwards, I'm going to LA to do a vlog style video. I'm also going to do a video of me going to the top of Mount Whitney, the highest peak in the lower 48 states. These are the few upcoming videos I'm going to make. I'm going to try to do new types of videos, like a full GoPro video, as well as more vlog style videos. I'm gonna continue making the silent hiking videos as well. Hopefully I get to show you guys more and more parts of Washington that a lot of people haven't seen. It's honestly so beautiful out here, and I can't wait to show you guys more. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the Wonderland Trail.